So to the degree to which I want the truth, that would have attracted the mercy of a Vaishnava. So it's not like black and white. Continuously in our heart, that particular statement, cheaters and the cheated, is applicable. What it simply means is that Lord provides for whatever you want, but be sincere. If you want something else other than Krishna, you will get cheated. God is seated in my heart, Paramatma. Just like a flower's fragrance you smell, the same way the Jiva's desires, he like fragrance he smells. If I desire something, if he reciprocates, it is not something great. Because that desire maybe it's not the best thing, but still you reciprocated, you are so adamant, Krishna reciprocated. You want his loving reciprocation. So therefore the devotees don't ask any material desire. The devotees say that my heart is full of material desires, but please don't satisfy any of my material desires, my Lord. I want the Lord to put me through whatever is required to purify myself so that I get gift of love of God. I don't want any small gifts.